So I've come up with a really simple 5-minute routine that's easy to follow. You don't have to learn any elaborate speed run or anything. You don't even have to use a metronome for this. The idea being that the barrier to entry is so low that you can just pick up your guitar and do this. You don't even have to plug it in if you don't want to. There's no setup required, so you can just do it every day. So you have no excuses not to practice it. And all it consists of is 2 exercises. For the first part, all we're going to do is pick each string individually, like this, if I were to start with the high E. And I'm picking down and up. I'm not only down picking or only up picking. Okay, I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up. And I'm focusing on getting each of those pick strokes to be consistent sounding. Okay, so I'm not going loud on the down, then quiet on the up, loud on the down, quiet on the up. The other thing you should try to do is rest your picking hand above the string you're playing. So with this high E, I'm resting my hand on all the strings above it. This keeps my hand anchored and more stable to play fast. Cool, so that's all you're going to do on each string. So once you've done the E string, you go to the B, pick that, the G, and you'll notice I'm moving my hand up with it, D, A, and then low E. So you're just picking each string individually. Now what you want to do is you want to get a stopwatch going, whether that be on your phone or on Google, whatever, doesn't matter. And you're just going to do 20 seconds on each string. So this first string, you'll go till the stopwatch gets to 20, then switch to this string till it's 40, then to the G till it's a minute, then the D till it's a minute 20, then A till it's a minute 40, and then this low E will take you to 2 minutes. Now the next part, we're going to bring in our fretting hand. So this exercise, you're going to start on the 5th fret of the G. We're going to pick that down, then we're going to play the 6th fret on the G while keeping that that first finger pushed down. Then I'm going to play the 7th fret on the G, keeping the other fingers pushed down still. Then my pinky is going to play the 8 on the G, and then I slide across and play the 9th fret of the G. So it's just 5 notes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm making sure to alternate pick this and using the same picking technique that I used when I was picking each string individually. So I have my hand rested. I'm doing very efficient pick strokes. I'm not going really far away from the string after every pick and getting that kind of sound. Cool, so that's all you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can go backwards. So I'm starting with my pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back 1 fret with my first finger for the 5th note. So backwards, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And you can take the same pattern, the same shape, and move it to any place on the fretboard, any string, any frets. So I could go to the B string, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then backwards, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I could go up to the 9th fret, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then backwards, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Just go around anywhere on the guitar. And obviously you're going to want to start this slow and just make sure every note's clean. And you're just going to do this for the remaining 3 minutes of the 5-minute session. So just to sum everything up, you're picking each string individually for 20 seconds each. That'll give you 2 minutes of practice. And then for the remaining 3, you're just doing these 5-note bursts, going up and then down. And you can play them anywhere you want, or you can stay in one place. Up to you. So have a go at incorporating this into your practice routine, whether it be a warm-up or something you do at the end. But I would say try be very consistent with this. See if you can do this daily. Give yourself a challenge and see how it works out for you, because you're probably going to find you get some pretty good results from it. But let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I hope it goes well for you, and I'll see you next time.